do the research. Like you got Michael giving you a free game on YouTube, like it's free. He talk about this all the time. So as a student, I always go back and watch whatever he posts to get that game because he always posting the good content. Follow, like, be on the right circle, and you will find the client that you're looking for that fit the circle wherever you at, the circle you at, and this is how you find your client. So I meet up with a lot of people, and this client, they become my client,
Hmm.
and they're not people that scared to invest on themselves. So
Hmm.
those are the people that's willing to elevate, that wanted to make more money, and will help us grow.
The following video is a case study or experience share with one of my private one-on-one students, Ron. So Ron invested $10,000 into himself to get mentored by me. And part of what happened with that was that he was able to make $11,000 in a single day. I'm gonna have my team put it on a screen somewhere just as proof. But he was able to make $11,000 in a day just by leveraging my relationship. And, because he was able to get around me, he was able to get that result. You may know about a new one-on-one business funding program that I have. So Ron actually got tapped in with me before I rolled out that new program. So he doesn't know this, but he was actually an inspiration for me even starting the new one-on-one program. So just wanted to put it out here just to motivate those of y'all that may be looking to start a funding company, that may be a credit repair business owner that may be burnt out. But yeah, with that being said, y'all enjoy the video. All right, bet. Welcome back to my channel. I got a special guest. I got Ron. He's actually one of my one-on-one students. He invested $10,000 to get mentored by me one-on-one. Those of y'all that know, I have a new one-on-one program. I just wanted to bring him on here to talk about his experience working with me. How's everything doing with you, Ron?
Man, everything good, man. Thank you for the opportunity, man. Thank you for everything you have done. And I
Yeah,
think that was the best 10K that I invest. And I like working with you. So thank you
sir.
for the opportunity you give me to work with you, man. You
Yeah, yeah,
changed
definitely.
my life on a different, like, perspective. Like when I wanted to start my funding company, I had a credit repair. So when I wanted to start my funding and I come across your page and I say, yeah, I gotta go ahead and lock in with you.
I got you. Got you. So how's your week been going? How's like business and everything? Just I guess just for the people, just like a little check-in.
Oh, it's been pretty busy. It's been pretty busy. Thanks to you, the way, like, I changed the way I get my leads, change some certain things. It's been pretty busy these days. Thank you. Thank you for
Got
asking.
you.
How's the weekend going?
It's been going good. Like I told you off camera, just been having a lot of calls today, but I was looking forward to this one, so we're here. Some people that are watching my channel, they may know and see that you've been on the channel. So we have done more than one deal together, but I wanted to just talk about one particular deal, which we're going to get into. But number one, I want to talk about how did you get started? I think it was my girl that asked me like a question to ask because I made a post and I said, what question should I ask? So how did you get started? Courtesy of my girlfriend. How did you get started?
Uh, that was what you post. So why you post on Instagram? I think I comment something, you DM me, and I was one of the guys that said, I'll ask my wife because the money was not okay. I'll ask my wife to sign up.
I need to talk to
So
my wife.
yeah, so I'll ask my wife, and because the money was not straight, we didn't have a way of communication because I know you don't have the time for people. So
Hmm.
I was constant DMing you, and we exchange contact, and that's when we started working together. And I put that 10K in, and ever since then we locked in.
Got you. That was working with me, but I'm talking about just like overall how you got before me.
Oh,
How did you?
before you?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah. How did you get started? That was a question that she had asked.
oh, okay, 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 okay. How
Yeah,
did I get started?
yeah.
Uh, Actually, I had bought a DIY ebook for credit
DIY.
repair. Yes. So I started 2019, but
Oh,
I
so
didn't
you
take it
started. You
serious.
started before me. Mhm.
Yes, I didn't take it serious at all. So I was
Oh,
just
okay.
doing
All
it
right.
for me and a few of homies I was doing it for, and I didn't take it serious. So until I met another guy, and he was making a killing, and then I don't know what happened. So he started not doing the work and he didn't upgrade because nowadays we have different system, different type of system where we put together. We like you did, you helped me put a system together and I follow your footstep. So that helped me a long way with all my businesses. So I started taking credit repair serious like I can say 2023 and I start funding 2024 with you.
Hmm. And then it was Instagram. Was it YouTube? Was it I think it was like an ad that you found me through or something?
Yes, yes, that was an ad
Okay.
for Instagram. Yes,
Okay, and then we were DMing.
yes.
And then I know that um I know we did more than one deal together, but let's just get straight to what I wanted to talk about. So there was one particular deal that we did, and we funded the client 220,000. I'm gonna have my team put the screenshot up when I wired you the money and everything. So I wanted you to just talk about that process because I get a lot of people just on IG in general. They're just like, okay, if I send you someone for funding, can I make money? And if it's like a random ass person that, I haven't really vetted them, I can't really, deal with it. But obviously, you invest the money in yourself, and we've been working with each other for a while. So we basically did a 50-50 type of situation. Can you talk about, I guess, the process, like how much work you had to do with it? Was it my connect? Was it your connect? Let's just talk about the situation.
Oh, it was your connect. That's what we have this deal. We do like if you can use my connect and I can use yours, and then we go 50-50. Depends on who refer somebody. If somebody refers somebody to me, and we have a way we work with them. So when I pitched that to you and you accepted, I said, "Wow, that's good." So now I can use his connect to make my percentage at least five. I mean, whatever it is. So I think that was a good idea, and I said, "Okay, let's go for it." So we did this client for 275.
That was a different one.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So
Yeah,
we did.
I'm not talking about that. So
Yes.
I'm talking about
So
the 220,000 one when I wired you the
the
11,000.
11.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah,
So that
yeah,
client.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
he had a situation,
yeah.
and I wanted to close him in 72 hours. And then I asked you, what can you do? And you call your other partner, and you make it happen.
I guess what I'm trying to get for the people, it wasn't through the banks. It was like a private situation just for context for people. So on your end, as someone that had the client, was there a lot of work that you had to do versus like, me connecting the dots with my person and then, we hopped on calls just to talk about the options that we got for the client. But I guess talk a little bit about that if you want.
My client very transparent with me, so they trust me enough to give me what I ask them for. So they're not like somebody that's scared to make money because the
Hmm.
business is making millions of dollars. So
Oh, hold on. Let's talk about that too, because you don't gotta. I don't want to put his business out there. You don't gotta say the exact
no,
revenue,
I'm
because
not
some
gonna.
people might.
I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah,
gonna
yeah,
say it.
yeah, yeah.
No,
Because some people
no,
might think like, okay, 220,000, maybe he's only making 100,000 per year.
no.
So, to my knowledge, I know it's seven figures plus, but I don't know if it was. I don't know if it was eight figures. Do you remember? It was around there. I
Yeah,
don't know if he's
yeah,
projected to, or I should have said
yeah, yeah,
if
yeah,
they
yeah.
were
There's
projected.
more. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, that client, like that specific client we're talking about, where you wired me 11K, that we make 11K that day. Uh, he trusts me enough, and I can help him to grow his business. And he's very transparent. He replied fast. Whatever that I asked, he get it to me, and we had did it fast,
Got
like
you.
pretty fast, less than 72 hours. Yeah,
I
that
think it
was
was less. Yeah, it was something less than that.
yeah,
It was something less than
24
that.
hours. Yeah, so we closed that
Yeah, yeah.
next
So
to you.
I know you're doing credit repair as well. So just I know we never talked about it. Let's even just talk about that experience with the 11,000. Were you doing funding before you got with me in the program? Like how was that experience? Were you getting payouts like that? Like just tell me about that.
No, I was not. I was
Okay.
not.
Okay, got you.
No, I started
So,
with you. I started funding with you, so I was not doing anything like as far as funding. I was doing credit repair and my other thing that I
okay,
do.
got you. I know you got some other ventures. Okay, so I guess for anybody that's watching, let's say they're a credit repair business owner, maybe they're in your shoes before they got with me as far as, being able to use these BRM connects. Because like I said, we have done multiple deals together, but I just wanted to focus on that particular one. What would you say to these people that are watching? Maybe they're burnt out from doing the credit repair. Maybe they want to get into funding. Maybe they don't have the connects. Like what would you recommend to them?
Uh, do the research. Like, you got Michael giving you a free game on YouTube. Like, it's free. He talk about this all the time. So as a student, I always go back and watch whether he posts to get that game because he always posting the good content. Follow, like, be on the right circle, and you will find the client that you're looking for that fit the circle wherever you at, the circle you at, and this is how you find your client. So I meet up with a lot of people, and this client they become my client,
Mm-hmm.
and they're not people that scared to invest on themselves. So
Mm-hmm.
that those are the people that's willing to live it, that wanted to make more money, and will help us grow.
Got you. And then I know the video is not about this, but just going off of what you said as far as having clients, we're not going to put the client's name out there, but I want people to know that business funding is not a thing where it's just super easy communication. We've recently been dealing with some people's like hard, communication and stuff like that. So can you talk about when it comes to funding and dealing with clients, just the reality? Because people think like everything's just sweet and the 11,000 one we made, that client, everything was smooth. I'm not gonna lie, but just talking about some other recent clients that we're dealing with, I think you know what I'm talking about.
Yes. Uh,
You ain't gotta say no names. Don't say no names, but yeah,
yes.
yeah, okay, for sure.
Yeah, so this client, we just gonna let it ride. We're gonna be, because like this is what we do, right? We provide solution. So whatever the problem is, we'll take the step with them. Whatever it is, the communication is bad. We're trying to make sure they understand what we're doing. We don't have time to waste. We gotta move to the next person.
Got you. Okay, I guess as far as business funding, why would you recommend someone get into it? I mean, they're watching the video now. They're knowing that, okay, you had your client. You invested, obviously, number one, you invested $10,000 into yourself. It takes a certain mindset to be like that. You got around me. You brought your client. You're like, okay, I have this client. We were able to get the job done, revenue-based funding within about like 72 hours or so. 11K wired to you, 11K wired to me. Simple like that. So, what would you what would you say to somebody, I guess, as far as why they should get into business fund? I guess it's a no-brainer question, but just for people that's watching it.
Business, but this is the beauty about business funding, right? The funding business part. It's whatever you're doing. Like any industry that you're doing, you can like just like put funding under. Like you
Hmm.
can be doing hair, you can be a barber. Like I used to go to the barber and leave my card, and the barber get a percentage on whatever like the service that like if as soon that come from them. This is the beauty of the funding part.
Hmm.
Anybody can start a business funding. You don't need no money to start it.
Hmm.
So all you need is a good BRM or a good team to find you like help the person, give them solution. Anybody can do funding. Everybody you can whatever you're doing, you can be doing taxes, you can be a CPR, you can be a nurse, somebody that want to start a business.
Yeah.
Because we work with all type of people. We got e-commerce, we got all type of people that we work with to help them the capital they're looking for. So funding is very, it's a like you can slip making money. All you have to do, like, hey, somebody, one of your homeboy called you, hey, I seen everybody on Instagram talking about they're making money. How can I make money? We refer somebody you know that's serious, and then that's willing to provide all the paperwork that are required, and we help them.
They got to be making money though if they don't have the credit.
You gotta
So
have to
yeah,
have you have to have the mindset to make the money. Stop thinking about like, hey, this scammer is name. Like I've been
yeah,
scammed before. We talk
yeah, yeah.
about
We've talked
all the
about.
time.
I have too. Yeah,
Yes.
and I've talked
So
about it on the channel as well. But you can't let one scam dictate your next blessing, basically.
yes.
And I know I can mention her name because we did a video with her, Dawn. That was a client we got 50,000. So she also mentioned too, like don't have that mindset that just everything is a scam. You know what I'm saying? So we got her 50 from Chase, so that's a traditional bank. But the 11,000 we're talking about, or 220,000 we're talking about, that was through one of my private plugs for private lending. I mean, you know his name, but that was done through there. So my point in saying that is funding is not a one size fits all. You got SBA situation, you know, we working on some stuff. You got traditional lending, you got alternative lending, revenue-based lending, lines of credit. So it just really depends on the situation for that business. And just for the people that's listening between with me and you, a lot of times what we'll do, we'll provide that good service where we're hopping on the call with the client, making sure that they understand the ramifications of everything that's going on, making sure they have a plan because these banks are getting super stingy. They're knowing that people are defaulting. They know that people are having like not real businesses. I've dealt with some stuff with my own clients as far as that as well. I don't know your experience with that, but yeah, you just gotta it's a good business model, but don't just come into it like it's gonna be like the easiest thing in the world. I wanted to highlight this one that we did just because it was a smooth process. This one particularly, but at the same time, everything's not smooth. We're going through some shit right now that's not smooth. You know what I'm saying? So
Of course.
I just wanna I don't want to just make this video like everything is gonna be a home run in the park, but I wanted to get you on here so that we could talk about that win because you know it was a win and it did happen and all that. So like I said, I'll have someone on my team put a screenshot on the screen. It's on my IG if anyone wants to just call Cap and all that. So you can go to my IG and look at it if anything. But you'll see it here in the video. I guess as we close out, I don't want to make it too long. As we close out, what piece of advice would you have for people? I guess as far as moving forward.
Mm, don't wait. You gotta start it now. Because I was stuck working on 9 to 5 and I had to make that decision. Because every week I was saying next week I'll quit when I saw I make that much money. And one day I decided, I said, you know what, I'm not going back to work. You gotta start, you gotta lock in.
Got you. Got you. That's good. That's good. And then how can the people reach you?
Oh, my Instagram is Ronalson.realtor. I'm also
Hmm.
a realtor, you know that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
And YouTube is Ronalson Camille.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll leave your information below so that they can go tap in with you and see what's going on. But yeah, if anything, more than anything, this video should let y'all know. Sorry, I'm getting a damn phone call. This video should let y'all know the power of partnerships. Y'all saw basically how we were able to close a deal pretty quickly and help a business owner just because Ron decided to invest in himself and get around me, and then obviously be able to use my connections, and we split those profits. So if you're watching this, if anything, you gotta just ask yourself like when is gonna be the best time? The best time is really was yesterday, but the next best time is now. So
Yeah.
with that being
Now.
said, y'all have a blessed one.